Good morning, students. Welcome to the next class of Civics, class 6. In last class, we read about that village level have three main bodies: the Gram Sabha, the Gram Panchayat, and the Nyaya Panchayat. And these three bodies perform different functions. We learned about E-Panchayat also. Today, our first topic is the block level. Children, please open your book on page 98, the block level. India is a rural local government body. These government works for the villages together are called development block. In block level, there are 4 to 5 villages. The sarpanch of the villages come together to form block samiti. Among all the sarpanch, one is elected as block pramukh, and all the block pramukh form Zilla Parishad. Children, I hope you all are clear how block samiti form. A block samiti is link between the Gram Panchayat and the Zilla Parishad. Members of a block samiti are elected for a term of 5 years. Now come to the next topic, its composition. Composition of the block level, which means structure of block samiti and how they are formed. First of all, we have to understand what is block. Block is a level which is just above the village. Above block there is a district, so it makes it clear how administration work. First point is Panchayat Samiti is composed of all the sarpanch of Gram Panchayat. All the sarpanch of the various villages, wherever there is a Gram Panchayat, there will be a sarpanch. If there are many Gram Panchayat, there are lot of sarpanch. So it is composed lot many sarpanch from various Gram Panchayat. So the first point is sarpanch from Gram Panchayat. There are many Gram Panchayat. So all the sarpanch form Panchayat Samiti. Now come to the second point. Members of Parliament and the member of State Legislature Assembly of that area. Parliament is law-making body at the central level and the state legislature law-making body at the state level. So some important members of Parliament as well as state are also the member of Panchayat Samiti or Block Samiti. Now come to the third point. Reservation for seats are made for women. Reservation for seats of scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes. So these people are also the member of Panchayat Samiti. Come to the fourth point. Chairperson of Block Samiti is very powerful. But how he appointed or elected? Chairperson elected by people among themselves. So it is elected by the people. There is one more person or another person, that is vice chairperson. This vice chairperson is also elected by the people. Children, come to the fifth point. The chairperson, also known as block pramukh. Chairperson is very important if we talk about any committee, because it is he Who will call the meeting? Who will cancel the meeting? Who can take final decisions? So chairperson hold the very important power. But in the absence of chairperson, vice chairperson look after all the programs and function of the committee. Sixth point is, one more important official is block development officer. In short, we have to say BDO. All the plans of the block committee are implemented with the help of BDO. It means without block development officer, block committee is powerless. She is responsible for the development of the whole block. I hope you all are clear, students. Now come to the quick quiz. Here is a quick quiz. The first question is, Panchayati Raj system function in the dash area. So I think you all know the answer. Panchayati Raj system functions in the rural areas. Second question, Panchayati Raj is a dash system. It's a 3-tier system. Panchayati Raj is a 3-tier system. Third question, for how many years are members of a Gram Panchayat elected? Its answer is 5 years. Fourth question is, the BDO is responsible for the development of a block. The BDO is responsible for the development of a block. It's true or false? It's true. Next topic is functions of block committee. These are functions of block committee. Block committee makes plans and arrangements for the development of whole block. Do their work effectively, block committees take help of experts in various fields. These experts are called extension officers. They help the villagers in the following ways. The first one is, the expert in agriculture helps the villagers to choose the better quality of seeds, how to use pesticides. He also educates the farmers on new methods of farming. Second point, the expert in animal husbandry educate the villagers about good breeds of cattle, how to take care of cattle, and about good medicine that can be given to the cattle. Now, third point is, the expert in the education field advise the villagers about the literacy program of the government. Fourth point, the health care expert guides the villagers about the proper precautions and care to be taken by the villagers for their better health. These are the functions of the block committee. I hope it is clear to you, the functions of the block committee. Now we will come to the topic of sources of income of the block committee, which is on page number 98, top on the second column. Sources of income of block committee. This is very important, children. As you know, any association or body needs money to carry out their functions. The following are the ways of income for the block committee. The first one is, the block committee charges taxes on houses, land and cattle. Second, the block committee gives its land on rent to the organizers of fairs and other for income. Third one is, the block committee receives grants and help from the state government to execute the government programs. Fourth one is, the block committee imposes charges on water supply by them to the villagers. It also charges for the electricity provided to them. These are the sources of income of block committees to execute their responsibilities. Children, I hope the chapter is clear to you up to here. Now come to the question answers. Come to the page number 100, question 4 of exercise E. Question 4 of exercise E. The first question is, write two functions of a block committee. Write two functions of a block committee. You can find the answer on page number 98 and 99 under the topic of functions. 98 and 99. Here is the functions. You have to write all the functions. The question is, write two functions, but you have to write all the functions. Children, you have to write all the functions. One more question is, write the sources of income of block committee. There is one more question. It's not in the book, but you have to write the sources of income of block committee. Children, please write all the points given in your textbook. All the 4 points you have to write in your notebook. You can find the answer on page number 98. Here's the answer. Today we will finish here only. We will complete the chapter in next class. Thank you, students.